Welcome back. I'm Drapper from Drapper Environmental Consultants. I'm here with Andy Hornbuckle at Pelican Waters to talk to you about an interesting project that we're working on. As you know, we do what we do because we want to be part of innovation. We want to be at the leading edge of environmental management, and in particular with stormwater management, we want to know that the systems that we're implementing actually work. So we are involved with this project looking at how saline wetlands, particularly floating wetlands, operate. And one of the interesting things with this was floating wetlands in a saline environment haven't been done before in Australia. So a plant species list was an unusual selection criteria with this. We weren't sure which ones were going to operate, particularly in a canal environment. And we've been doing some underwater drone footage here. And we found some remarkable outcomes in terms of one of the plant species, the Sarcocorneas. Whilst they're a small ground cover type plant, they appear to have the longest root system in there, going down sort of 800, 900 mils. So an interesting learning out of this project. And Andy Hornbuckle, do you want to give us a bit of a rundown on Spell's involvement in this process?
Yeah, thanks Darren. So at Spell Stormwater, we really appreciate what Drapper Environmental Consulting does for us. DEC is the independent liaison between Spell and our research partners like the University of Sunshine Coast, Griffith University, and Darren manages our research projects so that Spell actually is arm's length from it. At this particular project here at Pelican Waters on the Sunshine Coast, it's a really exciting project for us because with a reclamation project like this, where they're creating canal development and reclaiming land essentially, to have biobasins in the streetscape the developer loses a lot of land. So to be able to have a floating wetland at the end of the line and not have to lose head back up in the pits and pipes is a big win for the developer. They actually can save a lot of land and maximise their land development. So the floating wetland enables that to happen because it floats. It essentially will go up and down, and you can see on this project here, you can see the anchor system standing up there. So as the tide comes in and out, the wetlands will go up and down, and the same with the stormwater as the stormwater flushes through. So Darren's working with the University of Sunshine Coast and Pelican Waters to collect the water, sample the water from here, so we know exactly how the wetland is performing in this brackish environment. There's actually quite a high salt level in there. You'll see further footage on that. One other interesting thing we noticed this morning with Darren's, while we're doing Darren's, he's doing his underwater drone footage, is there's so many bait fish in here. So the root system of the wetland is allowing the fish probably a low predation zone where they haven't got so many other animals trying to eat them. So not only is it good for water quality, it's good for the whole ecosystem. So thanks very much, Darren.
No worries. Thanks, Andy. And thanks also to Phil Tyrer from Pelican Waters for the opportunity and I guess the foresight to give something new a go. And we probably also need to do a nod to Sunshine Coast Council for being prepared to give something new a chance under a monitoring program. Stay tuned, we'll keep you informed with underwater drone footage and plant information in future vlogs, and we'll get back to you soon.